Today I want to talk to you about the suction adapter for the KHC and BHC 18 rotary hammer drills. The suction adapter can be attached to the KHC 18 without any tools. This is a great way to capture the dust as I'm drilling. The suction adapter features a clear portion here that's going to engage the surface that I'm drilling into. And in there are 4 dedicated channels for airflow. That's going to help with the dust extraction. The next section is a collapsible part, so it'll move as I'm drilling in. And I can incorporate the depth stop rod from the drill to set that depth and be very consistent in my drilling. On the very bottom is the area where the dust would go. Right now it is capped shut, so the dust would just fall into there. But if I want to capture dust and a great deal of it better, I will connect one of the CT dust extractors here. This will accept either the 27 or the 36 millimeter hose. Lastly, if I want to adjust the length of this, I can add an additional piece for those longer drill bits. Or if I'm working with a particularly shorter bit, I can also replace this section with the shorter section. So you really get 3 lengths in one. This is a great way to capture the dust as it's happened, so you will keep a cleaner job site.